Good morning, children. See here, today's topic is magic with the letter E. Here, magic with the letter E. E makes the short sounds long, children. Okay. Here in this magic with the letter E, it means E letter makes the short sounds long. Okay. How we will see now. See, for example, what is this picture, children? Cub. What is this picture? Cub. What is the spelling of the cub? C-U-B. Cub. C-U-B. Cub. Here in this, excuse me, C is a consonant and U is a vowel and B is a consonant. Isn't it? C-V-C word here. Cub is a CVC word. When we add E, okay, when we add E to the cub, then what is the word we got here, children? Cube. What is the word we got here? Cube. What is the spelling? C-U-B-E. Cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. Here, cub changes to cube after adding the letter E. Isn't it? Cub changes to the word cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. And in this word, E remains silent. Isn't it? Can you hear the sounding? E sounding, can you hear, children? No. Cube. What we are saying this word? Cube. Here E always remains silent. Okay. Here E always remains silent. That is the magic E letter here. Understood? E always remain silent. After adding the letter E to this word cub, it changes to cube. And E sounding is silent here. That is the magic with the E letter in this word. Understood, children? And here the vowel. Yes, what is the vowel here? U. And it is changed from here in this word cub. It is a sound. Yes, here the vowel sound. What is the sounding of the vowel, children, in the word cub? A. Yes, here cube. What is the sounding you can hear? U. Yes, it means U letter. A changes to U. Okay. A changes to here in the cube U. Okay. It means here and the E letter remain silent here but makes the vowel before the ending consonant say its own name. Understood, children? But makes the vowel before the ending consonant make its own name. Okay? Here U is the A sound in the cub. And after adding the letter E changes to cube. U. A changes to U. Understood? That is the magic of the letter E. Similarly, see another example. What is this picture, children? Kit. What is the spelling? K-I-T. Kit. K-I-T. Kit. Here K is consonant. I is vowel. T is consonant. Yes? When we add letter E to the kit, the kit changes to, what is the word here? Kite. Isn't it? K-I-T-E. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. And here E remains silent. Okay? In this word E remains silent. That is the magic of the letter E. And here kit. In this kit, I sounding, what is the sounding of I? E. Isn't it? But in the kite, sounding of I is, what is it? Kite. I sound we are hearing. and the sounding of the E remains silent but makes the vowel before the ending consonant say its own name. Understood, children? That is the magic of the letter E here. Similarly, see another examples. Bit, B-I-T, bit. When we add E, bite, B-I-T-E, bite. Bit becomes bite. Now tub. After adding the letter E, it becomes tube, T-U-B, tub. After adding the letter E, it becomes tube, T-U-B-E, tube, isn't it? Now see another one. R-I-D, rid. Plus, we are adding the letter E. Now it becomes ride, R-I-D-E, ride. Here, cap, C-A-P, cap. Now, we are after adding the letter E, it becomes cape, C-A-P-E, cape. Here, what do you mean by cape, children here? It's a sleeveless garment, children. Okay, it was very loose, hangs, very loosely. Now see, this is pan, P-A-N, pan. When we add the letter E, it becomes what? Pane, P-A-N-E, pane. Frame glass window. It was given in your textbook, children. You can see here the pictures. Cape, C-A-P-E, cape. And this is pane, P-A-N-E, pane. This one, man, M-A-N, man. When we add the letter E, it becomes what? Mane, M-A-N-E, mane. Mane means what? It's a long hair around the neck of the lion. Mane, M-A-N-E, mane. Understood, children? So, after adding the letter E, okay, to the words, the E remains silent. Okay, the magic of the E letter here is it remains silent but makes the vowel before the ending consonant saying its own name. Understood? Here, I, K-I-T, kit, E, it sound. But it becomes here, it, K-I-T-E, it. Here, E, I sounding, E changes to I. Understood, children? So, this is about the magic with the letter E, children. Thank you.